Hello and welcome back to CountyLine TV. I don't have an exciting episode for you today. I will be honest, my goat is chewing on the charge cord for my camera. This is not going to be an exciting episode. I'm cleaning the shop again. We just cleaned it like not even a month ago, but like, I don't know, when you got 3-4 dudes in a shop building cars and the shop tends to get pretty messy. So as you see behind me, this is like my general work area slash the lift area. I do a lot of my stuff right here and it's very messy. I am probably the worst one. I'm very messy. So I'm gonna start there and then I'm gonna move back by the tire machine because I got a lot of my crap back there too. But we're gonna try to keep it as interesting as possible since otherwise it'll just be a video of me sweeping the floor. Now that we've swept the floor some and it looks a ton better in here, next thing we're gonna move to is this toolbox. It used to be my work toolbox and then I brought it back home because my new job supplies a toolbox but no tools, but I haven't taken my tools there, so I need to get some tools out of here so I can use this here again and stop just using my cart and my cart only, because turns out my cart gets cluttered with things that I don't hardly use and that's not a good thing. So I decided just now while I was talking to you guys that I'm going to use this kitty litter box to take some tools to work. Let's make that happen. Check this out. Look how fast I got filled with tools. I'm so good at this cleaning the garage thing. That didn't take me 30 minutes at all. Alright, I'm not going to make you guys watch me clean the garage anymore. Super boring. Let's move to what probably the title of this video is going to be, probably the thumbnail, probably everything about this video. Let's give CJ a car.
Get out of bed.
Come out with your pants up.
What? Come on. We want to give you your Christmas present.
Early.
I understand, but this isn't something that we could wrap up.
'Tis the season.
Is it a pet?
Just come on, CJ.
I don't have enough wrapping paper.
Don't be yelling at me.
Please hurry. La, 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 la.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Let's go, boy.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Ow.
That did not hurt.
That did hurt.
No,
I'm
that one might have hurt.
gonna beat you for another TikTok.
Ow.
Suddenly it
titties.
hurts.
Let's go.
Go where?
It's outside. See, that's why I put that camera up, because I knew you'd be looking at the cameras.
Slick,
Yeah, dude, we slick, bro.
Let's go.
Get out of there.
We're giving him his Christmas present. Low key, it's that BMW over there. We bought it for him. Merry Christmas.
What the
To
Oh
what?
yeah! You didn't buy that for me.
Swear to God. Merry Christmas.
Remember when I said it was hard and squishy at the same time?
That's too much. That's too much money.
It's cheaper than Justin's.
That's true.
Not sure.
That's sick. Is the driver right?
It drove it on the trailer.
Oh shit.
Just gotta get
Yeah.
a new battery.
Yeah, it jumps though. You can jump start it.
That's awesome, dude.
Definitely do an oil change and stuff like that.
It has a title and everything.
What?
Yeah.
Dude. It's like nice.
It's really not bad. It's really not bad.
It's like nice. New daily. Who's this? Dude, what is this? So.
It's a 525, right? Yeah, 525i.
Wow! Bro, I don't think anybody's ever bought me a car before. This is sick.
Today's the day. Oh my God. Every strap is loose.
Oh.
Every strap is like hella loose.
You made it home.
Oh, this strap came off is why. Oh, it ripped the tow hook off. Oh my God.
We've got some straps we need to retire.
It ripped the tow hook off the car.
Oh. Where's the oh, I don't know.
The tow hook used to be right here, and that's what I strapped it to. And then it decided to not anymore. And both of the front, and the car moved forward like 2 feet. So both of the front straps are just loose as hell. Wow.
Sketchy.
It's very scary. I wonder when that even happened. So anyway, we drove the car back, just e-brake, nothing else, no straps. So that's cool. So that car ended up being quite the gem, believe it or not. We picked it up for a very low price. I won't disclose the price because people have offered pretty much more than we paid for that just for the oil pan off the car. So I told CJ I don't care what he does with the car. I don't care if he parts it out, if he sells it, if he drives it, if he rallies it or what. We bought it for him to rally, but if he decides to do something else with it because it turned out to be a pretty good car, I don't care. It just needs like a couple things like a brake caliper and a drive shaft carrier bearing, but other than that, like, it's a great car. Huge shout out to the people that we bought that from. It was really cool of them to get a hold of Elsie when she posted looking for a car, which this car being 5-speed wouldn't have worked out for her to rally, so we just picked it up for CJ for Christmas. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I'm sure he is too. But regardless, don't forget to tell your mom to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.